You can use the contracts model to register a contract. In this case, we'll register a contract with the supplier. Here we must fill our contract with the necessary data. We choose the department of our organization with which the contract is celebrated. And, of course, we also choose the entity with which it's celebrated. We specify the type of contract. We name it in order to be easier to identify. And we can add more details on the contract, such as an observation that we consider relevant. Next, we may indicate the date when the contract will begin, the type of validity term and the term itself. You may also indicate the renewal. In this case, you will receive a notification email 60 days before the automatic renewal of your contract. If you wish to be notified with more or less time in advance, through the menu Utilities, Contract Alerts, you can determine how many days before the renewal you wish to be notified by email. You can also establish a term for complaint. In this case, you will then be notified 70 days before the automatic renewal of the contract, considering that only in the next 10 days you will be able to handle its complaint. We must also choose the type of payment established for this contract. Considering our choice, we may also fill the remaining fields. If it applies to your contract, you can also specify which is the warranty period, if there's any type of payment intention, or if there's any bank guarantee, in case the payment is not made. In this specific case, none of these three fields apply to our contract. Once the data of your contract is filled, you can submit it. This will trigger a process that allows you to insert your digitized contract. To do so, access to your action. You must fill the fields, choose your file, and insert it. If you don't want to insert the digitalization of your contract, you can simply register its information and perform the action. Your contract will be available for consultation in its respective folder. You will be able to perform a search on your contract at any time directly through the contracts model. You can also consult and change your contract data, as well as to access to the document.